Yes,
Yun.
gandang araw po. This is the weekly Philippine Sports Writers Association Forum here at the conference hall of the Philippine Sports Commission building inside the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. Magandang araw. Hope that you are with us through our live streaming. Nasa Philippine Sports Writers Association's Facebook page po tayo. On a delayed basis over Radyo Pilipinas 2 ang ating paring sports radio. Sa ngalan po ng ating president na si from Inquirer, si Francis Ochoa at lahat po ng mga kasamahan natin sa ating Philippine Sports Writers Association, we welcome you to another interesting session. And yes, for today, we will be talking about another interesting sports. This is about trail running. And we have the Philippine Trail Running Association. We would like to thank our friends, katulad po ng ating Philippine Sports Commission, our Philippine Olympic Committee, ang Milo, ang Smart PLDT, at ang Pantries 24/7 Sports Arena Plus. So we will be talking about the World Mountain and Trail Running Championship to be participated in by Philippine Trail Running Team. So we have our officials here, Piltra, Vice President and Secretary General na si Ma'am Tin Ferreira. We have also Team Captain Arnie Macaneras. We have team coordinators Lyra Valles and Gerald Pipones. And of course, the members of the Philippine Trail Running Team to the World Championship. So we have the initial words from our officials. Yes, good morning, Ma'am Tin Ferreira. She's Vice President and Secretary General. Kamusta po?
Good morning, Miss Judith, and thanks for having the Philippine Trail Running Association once again here. And this time, the last time we were here to share about the Philippine National Trail Running Championships. Now we have here with us the champions who will be representing our country in the World Mountain Trail Running Championships in Canfranc, Spain. This is going to happen this September 23 to 28, but our team is leaving for Spain next week, September 10, for preparation and training. So we look forward to sharing more, and we thank the Philippine Sports Writer Association, the Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, and all its sponsors for this weekly forum that allows us to share the good news to everyone about sports, and particularly the trail running or sports.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. So again, thank you so much for having us here. We're just excited to share, our stories, some updates about our preparations, and we're just so ready to compete sa world stage now, happening this month sa Canfranc, Spain.
Okay, Lyra? Yes?
Yes, good morning. Thank you for having us here. And our team is coached by Andy Dibo. Yes, one of the best trail running coach in the world. He flew last May to spend with our athletes and staff. And then after that, we continue our training in Baguio last May up to September 9. And the competition will take place in Canfranc, Spain on September 23 to 28. And the team was scheduled to fly on September 10 for training and acclimatization.
Okay, Gerald? Yes? Okay.
Hello. Hello everyone, I am Arnie Macaneras. I am a captain of the team. We are representing the World Trail Championship 2025. We have a long trail, 5 long trail na men at saka women also. For the short is also 5. We have 3 men and 2 women, and 2 for the U23 is we have 2 athletes. For under 23 and under 20 we have 2 athletes also.
Okay, so Martin, tell us more about the team. I-general natin, how many events yung sinabi niya? Tapos first time ba ito for the Philippines to have this big number of participants for that world competition?
This is the third time that we will be represented in the World Mountain Trail Running Championship. The first year, which was in Thailand, isa lang, si John Ray Onifa. And then the second year, so that was when Viltra actually mobilized already. We sent 12 a 12-man team. So full slots for the male and women for the short trail and long trail, and we were ranked 12 and 19 for these categories at that time. And this time, the third time, we're sending, so aside from the short trail and long trail, which Arnie mentioned, this is the first time that we will be sending youth athletes who will compete in the mountain classic category. So we have athletes who are under 20 and under 23. So as young as 18, isasama natin sa Spain.
Okay, so this is the biggest na delegation of our
Yes, the
Philippine
biggest.
team to the world. Ano po yung chance natin in this edition of the World Championships?
Okay, so this for most of the athletes, this will be their first time and to be exposed to an international competition. In fact, some of them first time magka-passport. And first time din actually napuntang Manila dito sa area natin kasi most of them are really from the grassroots discovery during the last year's national championship. I think 60% of them. But their performance is already I think ngayon siguro pag tinignan natin nasa top 20, top 30 most of them. Or of course we have athletes like John Ray Onifa who's already competing against the top in the world. The Asia Pacific gold medalist for the short trail category, and recently he ranked 31st dun sa very tough OCC in UTMB 2 weeks ago. And then if we look at the ITRA ranking, yung ITRA ranking points, even if most of them wala pang competition overseas, and yung iba nakakompete na sa Asia Pacific, we have athletes like si Romnick Tongkaling who's already top 2 in Asia Pacific for the U20 and is in the, if I'm not mistaken, top 12 or 15 in U20 across globally.
Okay, para makilala sila, short, kumbaga, name the names of our delegates to the world competition, ma'am. Tapos tayo and just...
So of course, I'm very proud to introduce sila yung star natin today. I'll start with the one on my right, si Joy Beltran. So Joy Beltran is from South Cotabato, 21 years old. She's our current national woman champion for short trail. So first time to compete. Okay, so sa baba, of course, our team captain, Arnie Macaneras, is one of our veteran athletes. He is 34 years old. Tama ba? Ayun. And he's competing in the long trail category from Davao del Sur, from Digos City. So this is his second time. He's responsible for giving the silver medal last Asia Pacific for the long trail category. So one of the 3-man team, and they were ranked 12 during the 2023 World Championship. So Randolph Gonzalez, so nasa baba. Also, he's very young but also already a veteran in the sports. This is his third year in the team. Nasa World Championship din siya in 2023. He was ranked 6 in Asia Pacific sa short trail. Just a few minutes away from our John Ray Onifa. And he's also part of the team which ranked 19 in the overall globally in the World Championship last 2023. si Ivan Sitoy. So Ivan Sitoy is 18 years old, so one of our youth athlete. So Ivan will be competing in the Mountain Classic. It's an 8K race event in the mountains of Canfranc. He's from Bukidnon. She's from Bukidnon. So, estudyante pa. Ayun. I forgot si Ming pala is from Rizal. So, yan, Randolph. And next to Ivan, we have Charlotte Boyko. So Charlotte is 20 years old. She's competing in the U23 category of the Mountain Classic. So Mountain Classic Senior. She is also from South Cotabato. So magkababayan sila ni Joy actually from Tupis. And next to Charlotte, so another female, si Noemi Fernandez. So Noemi is from Bukidnon, 43 years old. Yeah. So Noemi proves that trail running has no age now. Still competing with high performance. And Noemi's fourth place during the Southeast Asian Trail Running Championship and also in Asia Pacific. She's part of the team and they ranked fourth overall during the competition as a team. Next to Noemi, so also a new member of the team, Jobert Almakin. Jobert is from Iloilo. So he was a tour guide from Iloilo and tried his luck in the sports and he's the current long trail national champion. So in Mindanao, sa Cebu last March and we're looking forward to his performance this year, no. In his first race overseas actually and his first big competition other than the national championship. So next to Jobert, also from Western Visayas, so the same island. He's from Antique, Larry Apolinario. So he was our two-time national champion. Larry also ranked 6th during the Asia Pacific Trail Running Championship and is the silver medalist sa Southeast Asian Trail Running Cup. And he's part of the 2023 delegation and along with Arnie, they're the ones who ranked 12 during the Worlds in 2023. Next is so very young athlete also, Robning Tongkaling. So Nico's 19 years old. So kahit June 20 pa lang siya, he's already competing in the short trail. He's our current short trail national champion. Two consecutive year na short trail national champion. He has also ranked in the top 10 in several competitions sa Asia Pacific Championship in Hong Kong 100 World Trail Majors. He was top 10 and currently sa Asia Pacific, he is second rank in the U20 category. Ken Oliver Liboon. So, one of our youngest team member also. He's the Mountain Classic champion this year. And he's 80 years old from Antique also. So, tatlo actually yung Antiqueño sa amin, along with John Ray. And Ken is competing in the Mountain Classic in U20, so 8 kilometers. So ang wala dito is we have two athletes, si Samuel Manuel from Baguio, so he may final exams pa siya today, and Elizabeth Tagadang from Baguio also has prior commitment since last week nila. And also now currently in Europe, si Angelique Caballo for the long trail woman category, and of course si Jane Oliva. So we'll be staying there and wait for the team to arrive
So all in all,